Hello guys, welcome back to my tutorial, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to change your image color. You can change your clothes color, your stock images color, any color at all. So first off, you go to your gallery, you tap on the picture you want to change the image, you want to change the clothes on, and then you tap on the check mark to add the image. So this is the image that we are working on. So let me expand it a little bit, and then I'll centralize the image to make it be at the center. So I'll tap on this centralize, relative position, then you see relative position, center, and then you tap on the check mark, and then I'll press on copy to duplicate the image, and I'll do the same thing. I'll go to relative position, put it at the center, I'll tap on the check mark, then I'll use position to position it to go down so it will be on the same level as the one up there. So having done that, I'll tap on this check mark, and then I'll leave it like that. And then you come to your eraser tool, you go to your eraser tool. So now what we are going to do here is we are going to erase every part that is not clothes. Remember, it is only the clothes side and the clothes color that we're changing. So we'll erase every other part that is not the clothes that we want to change its color. So I'm going to increase my brush size. So let me start erasing. I'll erase all these body parts and leaving only the clothes out. Let me increase the brush size to make it faster. So let me go to the leg. Okay, then I'm going to reduce the brush size, and then I'll go to the hand because this is kind of closer to the image now. So I want the brush to only touch the skin and not the clothes. So you have to be careful doing this so you don't make a mistake erasing the clothes too, because any part you erased will retain the color it is having now. So you have to be careful in erasing only the parts that you don't want the color touching, that you want to change its color. I touch the skin, so I undo that. Then I'm going to come to the hand at the center. So I need to cover the hand up. You don't necessarily need to use an image that will give you this much work. So you can use an image that wouldn't be this tedious. But if you can work around it, it's quite easy. So you just have to be very careful and work patiently around it. So you'll be able to get it. Okay, I think I'm almost through now. I'm almost done here. So having done all the erasing, then you tap on this check mark to take it back there. So what we'll do next is go to our color filters. You can see these color filters and you tap on the color filters. But before that, so this thing I want to do would change. I don't know if you notice the color changing. So let me change the background color of this PixelLab app. I'll tap on this background and tap on this third icon you're seeing, the fourth icon rather. So you see this color, I'll change it to, let's say, yellow. Okay, so we'll be able to see our workspace. Okay, so I'll go back to the image, tap on color filters. So I'll tap on color filters, and then I'll go to the hue. You can see the clothes color has changed to green, blue. The color is changing. So the saturation, you can adjust the saturation as well. So anyhow you want to position it, and then the brightness. So you can adjust it and give it any color, any shade that you wish to give the image. So you know the original image was black, so it has changed from the black now and is having a different look. So you just make your adjustment anyhow you want it. This is red. If I want it in red, if I want it in blue, so you can just give it any color at all that you want. Just position it anywhere you want it. So the reason we duplicated it so that you can see now we erase the image, the head and the leg in the frontal image. So let me undo it so it will position well, so that the color will only affect the image and not the body. So if you don't erase the body, as you're adjusting the color on these color filters, it will also affect the body as well. But by erasing the body, so the color will only reflect on the image, on the clothes. So the image, the face will be at the back, the second image that we copied at the back, so we'll still retain its own color. You can see that the clothes is still the same as it was. It was only the image of this front one that we changed, that we're able to change successfully, and it concealed the one at the back. So guys, that is how to change your image color. Maybe you want to make your cloth color different, or you want to make it sharper, so you can adjust it here. You can give it any other color that you want. You can adjust it here. You can make it look different here. You can make it look different from the original color your clothes was. So guys, that is all for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial guys. Bye.